And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is a come shop with me. I haven't done these in a while. I haven't actually been shopping in a while, so I can't wait. I've already been into Home Bargains a couple of days ago, and they've got all their Christmas stuff, autumn stuff, and the new Mrs. Hinch range, and I cannot wait to bring it all home with me today. And I'm going with my sister. We are going to our local town, so popping into Tesco's, and then working our way through town, probably like Savers, Superdrug, Pound Stretcher, New Look, maybe Peacocks, I think that's what Lisa said, she wants to go to one of them, and Home Bargains, obviously. So come along with us.
For graduates in employment. Book your open day at canterbury.ac.uk with open days on October 12th, November 15th and 22nd. Meet future you at Canterbury.
What does that smell like? That actually does smell nice, actually.
It's gonna fight.
Trick or treat street.
My outfit for Halloween.
Coming from
I'll get you a Halloween outfit.
you got ice. Yeah, it's fine. I was gonna say, you're saying it, the right things and all, but you've not even seen it. You really need to see it. I think you're the only one on the planet who's never seen it before. Them cups are cute. If I had my own place, I would have different cups for different season.
I'd love to try and carry that one, actually.
I've got them.
Still can, but like keep that for another number. the pouches.
And pods or beads.
And
Got a plug-in one.
yeah, I've already got a plug-in thing. I just needed one of them.
Look at them ginormous baubles.
I know it's like take a picture of it. It's look at them all. Oh, it's hazelnut. Santa's nice loose medal. I'm nice.
Guys, so you probably won't be able to see me because the sun's in my face, but I've done a bit of damage. Sorry if this video is short. I tried to film as much as I could, but with everyone shopping on a Saturday, it's a bit manic. But I've done a bit of shopping. Most of it, well, some of it's actually quite food, but I will show you what I've got. I did go to Home Bargains, did buy quite a bit, so there will be a haul of showing you what I got as well. If you have enjoyed today's video, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.